promotes various types of personalized activities to help you develop individual learning paths for your students. For example, in a course, a student might receive choice activities. In a choice activity, the teacher allows them to choose activities that best fits their learning style or gives them options to choose activities they like. Once I do that, it will now become part of my learning plan. This is a student-chosen activity. Buzz also allows for self-assigned activities. Students can create a task or search the library for an activity. To create a task, students will create the task for themselves. They could send this to their teacher and give themselves a due date. When they're ready, they click Save, and this becomes part of their to-do list. As a teacher, I can assign activities from the clipboard, and I can assign them tasks. To grade any of these 4 types of personalized activities, I would go to the gradebook of the course that I want to grade the activities. The activities will show up in the For Me area. Here you can see that Charles has 2 activities on March 14th. I can view this by today, month, or year. When I click on the activity, I'll see the activities that were one of those 4: a clipboard task, a clipboard activity, a student task, or a choice activity. I click on the activity. I could view it, or I can grade it. I could also choose to edit or delete those activities. I can filter by student, I can set date ranges, or I can view assigned by teacher or student. In the Grades tab, I can create a quick link to the For Me area by clicking on Display Options, choosing the For Me option here, and clicking Save. This creates a For Me column where I can quickly access any teacher-assigned activities for that student, or I can access self-assigned activities for that student.